your mic on mute, and after the session, you can the platform will be open for question and answers for your doubts. And these sessions, whatever we are going to do here, will be uploaded in the YouTube. And at any time, the link will be shared in the WhatsApp group. At any time, you can see the videos again for your practice. And we are always there for further guidance also. So over to you, Miss Malita. Malita, I'll make you the co-host so that you can mute and unmute yourself.
Yeah. All right. I'll share my screen. Go to share. I want to go to my desktop.
Then you have to press the left icon, the leftmost icon you have to press. Yeah.
I got it. It's loading. It's taking time. Okay. So
Yes.
I have written in Arabic also if anybody wants to read. I don't know. So far, I've just translated and I have written you. Okay, let's learn
so
how
thoughtful, and thanks to you, Miss Malita. You can continue. Thank you.
Let's learn how to make this realistic rose. Okay, we'll see the video of this. So this is what I'm going to teach you, the arrangement. Okay, these are the materials needed to make the realistic rose. So we need a candle, we need a thread, we need a scissor, cloth, and a glue gun. Okay. So I will show you the cutouts, everything. This is a normal cloth, the dress material. You can use any dress material is fine. We can make a flower out.
Excuse me, which cloth exactly? It's a cotton cloth or it is polyester?
This is a satin cloth, satin, the glossy cloth, satin cloth.
Satin, okay, okay.
Yes, this is a satin cloth.
Yeah.
So I will show you the cutouts here. Cut the cloth in petal shape. Measurement are, here it's given 5 by 5 centimeter. And this is a small size petal and this is the big size petal, 7.7 by 5 centimeter. So I have cut and I have shown you this also how it is placed, and we can make a flower like this. Okay, let's go. Then I will show you how to burn the ends of the petals, the ends, no? When you cut, sometimes the threads comes out. So what we need to do is burn the ends, and then you can make a realistic rose. So I will be showing you in this video how here. How I burn the roses. See the ends, how I was burning. See the ends. It has to be very slow, and you might burn your this also petal also, but it should be very quick and very slow also. It is not very quick, not very slow. See, you need to fold like this. See, fold the petal, and then I'm just passing it towards the candle fire. See all this. All right, now I'll show you the next one, how I'm going to arrange. Now the petals are ready. Okay, these petals are ready. It's all burned, nicely shaped is given for this with the help of the candle. Now let's arrange the flower petals and see the video. Okay.
Excuse me, a big size, how many, and small size, how many petals?
It is, you have to do 30 of this and 30 of the small flowers.
30.
It depends how much you want. If you
13
want to
or
make more flowers, yes. If you want to make more flowers, you have to cut more petals.
Oh,
Okay. So I
yes.
will show you in this video how we have to arrange. You have to make a bud and then tie, and I will show you here. See, this is the first bud I'm going to do. I'm tying it, okay, and making a zero shape and pulling it out. See here, tying it and making a zero kind of thing and then pulling it out. Again, another petal. So total inside 2 petals. At the side, you have to take 3 petals. So 3 petals here. As you go higher, as you go round and round, you have to increase the little the petal little higher. First, if it is lower, then little you have to increase the petal. Increase the petal as in you have to lift it little higher. Here. First, I added 3 petals in the middle, first for the bud. Then at the side, I have added 4. And then again, the big petal, 4. If you want to make more bigger flower than this, you have to cut a little bigger size of that petal. See, my ends are burned very well. My ends are burned very well, and you have seen the curves which are come at the side of the petal. Here, at the side of the petal, there are nice curves are formed. That zero kind of thing, what I'm doing is because so that the flower petal remains very firm and nice, and it remains very good and it comes out well. You can stick it with glue stick also, but then glue stick will take time for me. Like I prefer using thread, and then if I want to stick anywhere else, I will use glue stick. That glue gun. See, the rose is ready. Here I will be showing you how to arrange it. Oh, it says it's not working. Okay, anyways, there is some problem here. It says it's not working. Okay, I will show you this demonstration. Okay, this is only the petal, the flowers are ready here. And I'm going to stick this flower. I am going to do this arrangement and I'm going to stick it on the lamp. Okay. Like I will show you this. Then besides that, I will be showing you, see this here. See, out of those flowers, I made baskets. See, so many baskets I have done. Then I have done this bridal bouquets for the weddings and all the same flowers here. Then I have done the headgears for the head. Here how I see the children is wearing the headgears. So those type, the same flowers I have used. See here, you can see the flower here. This is the same flower. I have put for in the baskets also. This you can put it in, you can do it as much as you can. You can put it in all this. And this is my Facebook page. This is my WhatsApp. You can click a picture of this full thing. You can contact me if you need to know more details about this. And this is my Instagram page and this is my YouTube. Okay. So I will teach you all this arrangement, this one, which is not working here.
Oh. Okay, I wanted to take your address, Mrs. Malita.
Yes.
I want to take your this one, your email and your telephone, but you have.
Miss Malita, can you show the last slide along your contact details?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Malita. I have taken a pic. I will share it in the
Thank you.
group also.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop sharing, I guess. All right.
Yes.
I think it's very, very easy. Anybody can do this. I have my, I will show you here. See, this is the,
Miss Malita, 1 second.
yeah.
I request all of you to kindly pin her video so that you can see it in the full screen. Go to Miss Malita's video. There will be 3 dots. Click the 3 dots. Pin the video so that you can see it in full screen. PIN, pin. Yeah, now you can continue, Miss Malita.
Yes. So this is the cloth. Okay. This is a satin cloth. See, I'm going to cut it. You get a strip kind of thing like this. Then you need to fold it. I'm doing it direct. Yeah, I hope you all have taken the picture of the petals. So you will get exactly size because I don't need size. So I just randomly I cut it. I place it like this. You just place the paper. You have to cut that size on the cardboard paper, then place it on your cloth. Okay, place it like this and then give a shape. This is how you get it. These petals. You want me to show you all how to do it on the candle as well? Or
Yeah.
you all saw the, you all want to see?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Very well.
See, what I'm doing is taking the petal like this. I hope you all can see it. Yeah. See?
Yes, we can.
I folded the cloth, the pattern like this. Okay. So what you have to do is just pass it like this. I will burn this end also here, this side and this side. See, one shot is enough. You don't have to get the frighten of the candle because it's not going to get burned. You just have to pass it like this. Oh, if the way is one more way is there, you can do it on the lighter also. Take a lighter like this. Fold this petal like this. Okay. If you are familiar with the lighter, you can do with the lighter also. See, you got the pattern. Like that, I have cut a lot of petals here and I have kept it ready. Here, all the petals are ready. And the flower also. I will show you how to do the arrangement of the flowers.
Mrs. Malita,
Yes.
excuse me. I'm having
Yes.
a question. Why do we cannot use a needle to attach all of these petals?
Sorry, come again.
We cannot use a needle with a thread. Okay,
You
just
can,
to
you can.
stitch it down.
You can. See,
Just
I have
to-
done a lot of flowers like this. This is on the paper. See this?
It's in the paper. No, I mean with the satin cloth, because with the thread it will not catch very well. Then I said if you can use with the needle, with the thread and needle, then it will be more this one, more
Yes.
fit.
Sorry,
No,
didn't
Miss
get you.
Malita, what madam is telling is you were
Yeah.
going around with the thread, right? So she's
Yeah.
asking, can we use a needle to really stitch it off?
Oh, you can use needle also. You can hold it and then
Yeah,
use a
I think-
needle and stitch it. You can do that. Especially the tailors and all, they do that way
Yeah,
because they want it on the flat surface, flat. So
Yeah.
the tailors especially, they do it. Okay. And if you want a stalk, so you want the flower to stand. So you need to have a stalk here. So you need to stitch it. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, you need to tie it.
Yeah.
Not stitch it. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So, see, I will show you how to arrange the flower and how to put a knot. See, I have a thread here. I have taken a black color thread. You can take red color because since I don't have running short of red thread, so I thought I will use black. Okay. So I will show you the bud. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend it. See here, I bend the flower. And then you twist it, give another fold. You'll get a bud like this. All right. Now what I'm going to do is take the thread, tie it 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, and then make a 0. You can see the 0 here, what I have made, 0, see here, 0. That I'm going to put it inside, and then I'm going to pull the thread here. You got it?
Yeah.
Yes. So you keep on adding the flower petals. See, now I'm adding the petal. This is little big in size. You can make smaller than this also, but I have a bigger size. So what I'm going to do is I'm getting it little lower. If I put it up, the flower, I guess you all have seen how the rose is. Definitely it will come accordingly how the rows are layers. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this rose a little down like this. And then I'm going to, you can see this. And then I'm putting a knot. This is a knot. The 0 which I'm talking about is a knot. So it's becoming tight. It's not, no way it will come out. But even when you are stitching here, no, you can pass the needle like this, pull it this way. But I think that will take long time. Stitch, then take it out. This is faster. Just put like this and pull it. Then the second one I'm going to put here. How I got it? Tie it like this. You can put it as a rose also, like this, as a rose bud. Like this also, if you put it in a bouquet or anything, it will look nice. It will look like a rose bud. If you put calyx at the side, calyx meaning those green leaves which is coming out, no? You put it, it will definitely look like a bud, rose bud. So I'm going to add this is the 2 layers. So I added 2 layers. Now I'm going to put one here, one here, one here, one here. And here. One, two. Okay, what I do is I will take only C2 I have taken. Now I will increase to 3. Then I will add 4. Then again one more circle 5. Then 6. Then and so on. You can keep on increasing the petals. Here first, this is the 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 here. Here also you need to tie, because so that then when you're tying, it should be very thin here. Suddenly if it becomes very fat down, it will not look nice. It should look neat as well. So you need to tie here as well. Okay. And then here. See, I'm increasing now. The same petal actually, but what I did is little bit I increased it. Increase it as in I lifted little up. Here. See, first one was 2, then the second round was 3, and the fourth round was the third round, sorry. Third round was the 4 petals. You need to keep on increasing it. 4, 5, 6. You need to keep on increasing. See? See this. Like that. Many here, as you can see. See, this is the only I have used. Yes. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, any questions?
No, you can carry on.
Yeah, please.
Okay. So I have made all this here. This here I have put only 2 inside, 3, and then 4 I have put petals here. Here I have put more petals. Okay, there are a lot different sizes. Here another one. This is a dry flowers. What I did is, this is baby's breath. You all must be knowing baby's breath is a fresh flower. So what I did is I spray paint them in pink. Okay, I love this dry flowers very much because they remains as it is. See. So what I'm going to do, I will be arranging on this lamp, all the flowers on this lamp, and I'm going to place arrange it on the lamp. All this, and I have some fillers here. These are the fillers, the artificial ones you can use this. Okay. Then see, this is how I stuck them with the glue gun, and I stuck it here, and I put these flowers as well here. So let's get started. I'll stick it on my lamp. A little bit of glue.
What are those fillers made of?
Fillers is those are the plastic fillers.
You get it in the shop like that, is it?
Yeah, you get it in any flower shop. They sell it. Those are the artificial flowers.
Yeah, I understand. Okay. And the other one, what you showed, the dry flowers, is it?
Yeah, these are the dry flowers. These are baby's breast. Baby's breath. You heard about the baby's breath? Anytime you all heard about baby's breath, you all
Not
can
me.
Google what is baby's breath.
Okay.
It's a white flowers. Normally it comes in white color. Sometimes it comes in purple. So you can, when you get those, no, you can dry them and you can go on putting colors.
Okay. But we get it everywhere, this baby's breath.
Yeah, it's available in the fresh flower shop. Everywhere you go,
Okay.
you ask them, they will know, they will come to know. It is called
Okay.
baby's breath. Yeah.
Okay, right. Okay, fine.
This is the arrangement I'm doing.
And for leaves, do we add leaves also?
Sorry?
Do we add leaves also? Artificial
Yes, I
leaves?
added leaves. Leaves you can add artificial, or you can make out of paper or out of cloth or leaf. See, you can cut out of cloth the leaf shape, and then you can burn the ends of the leaves. You can burn.
Yeah, yeah.
Like how I burn the petal leaves, no?
Yes.
Petals.
Okay, got it.
Like
Got
that,
it.
you can burn on the leaves also. You can burn on the leaves also.
The
Ms. Malita,
advantage
can you
of
just show,
burning.
can you just tilt your screen?
Sorry?
Can you just tilt this, your computer screen?
You can
Yes,
see
yes.
now?
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. No, again, it's gone
Oh,
down.
yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Now it has gone more. No. Okay.
This is okay?
Little down.
Uh,
Little down. Little more. Little.
yes, yes.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Now it's okay.
You know what? My glue gun is little far, so I was taking it towards the glue gun.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, no problem. I'll get it on the extension.
No? Like it.
Alright. So I keep on adding this. Here, see, I keep on adding my dry flowers. This
Okay.
you can do it on the wine glasses also. Like this, you can do it on the wine glasses. You can make it as a hand corsage. Hand corsage is for the hand. They put it like this. You can make it, you can place it like this on this. I will show you the arrangement on this also. Here, this is a ribbon.
One question.
Yes.
Now you are burning it for the purpose of folding it at the end or making it stiff?
No, I'm burning it.
نبلش
You are getting a fold.
نبلش المحاضرة.
Yeah.
You are,
The cloth itself is very soft. The moment when you burn that, you know, it remains stiff.
okay. And how do you fold it at the end like a rose, end of the rose, tip of the rose, folding, it's how does it come?
What you mean to say, that zero, how I'm tightening it?
No, this end of the rose, the rose petal top.
Yes. Yes.
It's folding, it's just folding. How that is by burning it is happening or?
Yeah. It is when you fold it this way, when you fold in this manner, when you fold the petal in this manner, that automatically the petal goes inside. Automatically it curls up.
Oh, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah,
Okay,
automatically. And especially you have to use the satin. If you use cotton, it will burn. The cloth will definitely burn if you use
okay. So satin only.
Especially those for the dress and all the tailors, what they do.
I understand. Satin is fine. Satin is the only best.
Michael sir, can I have one small request? Can we have the questions later after the
Okay, sure.
Sorry.
Sorry, no problem.
Okay, so what I'll do is I will show you the hand corsage with few flowers which I have here. Okay. This is the ribbon. Okay. This is the ribbon. What I did is I cut it. Okay. I got this shape here, square shape. What I did is I burned the ends of this. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this flower I hope everybody can see it. Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, all right. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put some feelers. Four places I have put. I'm just going to put it this way, and the other one this way. Right. And the other one this way. So I'm going to place this rose here. You can keep on adding the fillers. If those roses are there, then you can do anything. If your roses are ready, you can do anything. Yeah. See, your corsage is ready. Like this. You can put it on anything. See, now if you want a corsage, you need to put it on this. Just put a glue gun here and stick this. It will be the hand corsage for the birthdays coming up. So they can put like this. I'll show you how to stick it. See? It will be like for the hand. Like this. Out of that, you can do a lot of wonders out of those roses. You can make bouquets. You can make a lot of things. Here, see this lamp. Then I made on the crown. I brought the crown and I have put on the crown itself. See how I put on the crown? I placed it. You can see here behind. With the help of glue gun, I stuck all these roses here. So this is done. This is of paper, this flowers of paper. I have done for the National Day flowers here. White inside, green, red. These are the bag, customized bag I have made. They can put their gift inside and they can give it to their friends. Here, this is also another paper flower.
See?
Okay, here. This, when you're having a birthday parties and all, you all can put it for the wall, the decoration. I have done. Actually, in fact, this was thrown out in the garbage. But what I did is, I brought home and it is of the fridge frame. So what I did is I bought it home and I did the decoration on top of that. So whatever is like, you know, for me, like if I see something about of wood and all, I go crazy. Of dry flowers and all, I really go crazy. And I get it home and I start doing my work with all these things. Y'all can ask questions now. And if any doubt for your, if y'all have, y'all can ask me the questions.
So before the question answer session, thank you so much, Miss Malita. As beautiful as you are, so nice it was the arrangements all you have made. These activities, what ma'am has taught, it's very good for our children to keep them engaged, to keep them potentially engaged, with meaningfully engaged. So, and these are all very simple activities which they really like. You can teach a lot using these activities also. So, and of course, a business or some uh, what to say, exposure for the children also. So kindly make use of all this. These videos will be available in the YouTube. Anytime you can go watch and you can practice. At any time, we are all there to help you further also. So now we are open for questions. You can ask, ma'am, whatever you want. Thank you.
If there are any questions, you all can ask me. I can answer.
This was wonderful, wonderful flower making arrangement. And the way you made the rose is very beautiful. Can you demonstrate how to make a paper flower, like the lavender one that you showed? Can you demonstrate how to make a paper flower also? Or is it the same
I'm not
steps
ready
we follow as per the...
In fact, I'm not ready with this flower. So I have to get my papers and all that. This is a freehand demonstration actually. Then if you want me, you can contact me because I didn't keep any paper. I came only for this one. So this only. Next time, inshallah, I can teach you all this. If Gayatri ma'am up to more classes like this, we can teach.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you. Any questions? So we can.
Yeah, I asked before itself.
So thank you so much.
You're welcome, Gayatri.
Thanks a lot, Miss Malita. That's
Thank
really nice of you.
you. Thank you.
Subhashi sir, we can see you there. Thank you so much.
So much.
So thanks a lot. Now we'll continue with our second session. At any time, for the contact details of Miss Malita has been shared in the group. So any doubt, any further help from her or guidance from her, or you want to enhance your skill further in this also, please feel free to contact her. She's always ready to help us out. And with this, we'll be starting our second session, candle making. So kindly allow me to share my screen.
Yes. I'll stop sharing. It's already
Yes.
coming.
So candle making. So these are the concepts to be taught for the children about pouring, hot and cold. We have to teach because we will be dealing with hot wax and refilling, half and full, the different colors, how to put a wick, the thread inside the hole, and then how do we take out the candle from the mold. So these are the concepts that has to be taught to children before we even start teaching them how to make candles. And there are certain precautions also, safety norms to be followed when while teaching the candles, because we will be dealing with hot wax. So they should be wearing rubber gloves and rubber boots also, or the normal the leather shoes if they are wearing. And apron is mandatory for this, because again we will be it's quite hot, the wax will be very hot. So, and the materials required are hard wax and colors, perfume, wick, silicone molds and scissors. So I'll be showing that in my video. So these are the normal candles which we get in our market. The white one which I'm having it in the hand. These are the normal candles which we get in our market. But we are going to make some designer candles, not the normal ones available. Something very different we will be making. And there are two types of candles we'll be making. One is hard and other is gel wax. So hard candles and gel wax. So what do we need for that? You need an induction stove, induction vessel, a spoon, and this is hard wax. I will be telling where you can get from India or from where, what you can do in Oman also. I'll be sharing in the end. So these are blended wax, very hard wax which we order and we make it in Mumbai rather. A very high quality wax. These are the wax which is not available here, but we can get it from India also. Otherwise, you get some granule type wax also. And these are silicone molds. You get in different sizes, and this can be ordered also online. So there are variety of molds available in the market. And again, perfume. Perfume, you get it in Ruby High Street also. Good quality perfumes you get. I prefer to, when we are doing it in Oman, I prefer we use that our traditional flavor, that Luban, those type of perfumes if we use would be really good. These are color pellets. Normally in the market, you get color powders. Color powders are carcinogenic. I mean, normally we don't allow children to use because the chances are powder getting inside the fingers and it may get inside their mouth also. So pellets are very safe. Wick. This is what actually the candle we use for burning. You get two types. One is with the aluminum base and another one is our normal thread. So you get two types of candle. I mean wick, anything you can use. So these are the items, these are the raw materials we'll be using, and you need to break this particular wax with hammer. This itself is a beautiful activity for children because they love breaking it. In fact, when I have to say, their aggression also comes down when we allow them to break the wax. Vocations are not just for making things. Vocations are used for behavioral modifications also. Vocations are used for developing other skills also, apart from learning a particular activity. So I have a huge collection of molds, and at any time you all are most welcome to come to my house to see all these raw materials also. Okay, when we are heating this wax in induction stove, the temperature should be around 800 degrees because these are highly flammable substance. So, but it's quite safe. We have to maintain the temperature at 800 degrees. So these are rods which we can order it in Muscat also. You can order it in hardware store according to our thickness. They make and they give. So these are inserted inside the molds. After making the candle, we remove these rods and we insert the aluminum bottom wick we insert. So when we are using aluminum bottom wick, we have to use these rods. Otherwise, you can directly cut. These wicks are also available in many places, in hardware shops or in craft shops. These threads are available. So you can insert these wicks directly into the mold. This is also a very good activity for children because when they are pulling the wick, they learn when to stop, because most of the time they pull out the whole wick again and again we'll have to wick it. So they know when to stop it also. This is again another activity. These rods can also be ordered in Oman. In hardware shop, they make and they give. So this will keep the wick in the straight upright position. So by the time the wax melts, we can finish adding the wick to all the molds. So 800 will be the ideal temperature. So now you can see the whole wax is melted. Now you can add the color. Color, what is the proportion? It's the choice depends on the customer, or depends on you how much color you may need it. But you have to be very gentle while dropping the color pellets, because the chances of that spilling, the wax spilling is high. So we have to be very careful. We must also teach the children that the pellets need to be put into that spoon before dropping it into the wax. So I want more color, so I can add at this time also. So once this whole thing is melted, the wax is melted, the color pellets also melted, then we switch off the induction stove and we add the perfume. Perfume, if you say, it is of two types. You get it in the market, online market. One is for candle, one is for soap. Candle perfumes are of little bit low quality. Soap perfume, since we use it for our skin, it is of good quality. When I'm teaching for my children, I don't want to confuse them. So I use the same good quality perfume. So whatever I'm using for soap, I use it for candle. So for 1 kg of wax, I add 5 to 7 ml of perfume. Depends on the, again, the customer's choice. If they feel, if they want it more, you can add more. Ideal is 5 to 7 ml for 1 kg wax. These color pellets are made from wax only. So in fact, I order and I get it done from Mumbai, and they are very safe also to use. You can use color powders also, but just ensure that children are precautions to be taken when we use powders. So making a candle is again very, very simple. So melt the wax, melt the wax, add color, then add perfume, and then you pour it into the molds. So once you pour it here, it takes around, depending upon the size of the mold, it takes from at least 4 hours to even 24 hours for the candle to settle down. I have pillar candle molds, which even takes 1 day for it to settle. I use this jug and rubber gloves for children because it's very easy for them to pour, and it is quite safe also. They wear rubber gloves and so after 2 hours, if you see, you can see that the candle, when it starts settling and it starts going down, it starts sinking. Not now, I tell after 2 hours, it starts sinking. So we have to teach children how to pour the liquid also. So we have to refill the liquid. We had a project of making 2,400 candles. So it was mandatory that the first batch will come and do the candle. The second batch will come, they will re-pour the first batch, and then they will start making their batch of candles. So it was a routine for them. These are called hurricane mold candles. They don't have any wick. This is actually a pencil stand. Pencil or pen stand it is. So you get a pen stand like this. You can make even 2-layer or 3-layer candles also. For that, you will have to allow that first layer to settle down, and the second layer and the third layer. So you can have different colors also when you are making. These are porcelain cups. Porcelain cups can also be used for making candles. Actually, this was done by one of my students who is in Kuwait now. So demolding. When you say demolding, the part which is this one is the right side, and this one is the other one is the wrong the bottom side. So you have to be very careful when you are demolding. Loosen the lower part and then gradually pull the candle out. So these are the candles which you don't get in the market at all. So the children will know here how much pressure they have to put, because there are some children who exert a lot of pressure while writing. So these are the activities which help them, to reduce the pressure also. So that is the right side. You can customize the silicone molds also. Silicone molds can be customized also using any logos. So molds need to be taken care of very well. They are reusable, but we need to keep it in a very safe place without any heavy objects on it, because molds are again expensive. They cost from 2 riyals to even 30-40 riyals also. So tea light holder it is. This is another model. And the candles which fall down, in fact, I have used a cloth under this, but we can use even a sheet, plastic sheet below, so that where if the candles fall on it, they can be reused also. Nothing goes waste. So this is grapes. Like this, you have beautiful molds which are available in the market. I will also tell how you can do in Oman also, where you get the materials. I'll be telling in the end. So these are the rods which we had put. So you need to always refill it properly. Refilling is very important while making candles. So you have a plier for this, which you get it in this. You get it in any hardware shop. In Honda Road, especially, you will be able to get this. So this is again a good activity between two children. They can do to pull this rod out, and then you have to demold the same way. That's the right side. We have to be very careful because the petals may break. So loosen it. It takes minimum 1 day for that to settle. So better we do the demolding the next day. So you get a beautiful rose here, rose type of candles. These you don't get it in the market at all. Okay, now you have those aluminum bottom wicks. You get even without aluminum bottom also you get. So put it from down. And this aluminum, press little bit so that it gets locked in the wax. That's all, it won't fall. Just give a little press, that's all. and then cut the excess piece. The excess piece can be used for any other purpose also. For making another small candle also we can use it. So nothing goes waste here. So loosen it and then give a pressure, that's all. These are called hurricane molds. Hurricane molds are really very big with, you get it with knobs and it's very big actually. You get it with nail that locks and all that. So you will have to remove all that and make a candle. This is also made from wax. All this can be ordered and we can purchase it online also. But what I suggest is we can start with the small, first small level, and then we can proceed with the larger ones. So these are my big candles. These are called pillar candles, quite big they are. And these molds I've been using for more than 5-6 years now. Nothing happens to it unless we have to take care of it.
Come.
Give a gentle press when you put the aluminum base wick and then cut the excess piece of it. That's all. So with this, hard candle is over. Before we start the gel candles, I would like to know if you have any questions in this hard candle, kindly let me know. I would like to show, these are the color pellets. These are the color pellets which I order because I am little, I don't use those powders as it is harmful for health. And
Where is this available?
I will be sharing the address, sir. And
Okay.
these are silicone molds. This is a rose mold. You get from small. This is very little tiny also. And you get in many shapes. This is my one of the bigger one. And nothing has happened. I've been using it for more than 5 years now. And when you say wax, you get it as a hard wax like this, very hard. You get it as granules also. For Oman, in Oman, because I can't get the wax transported here. So what I do is I buy these candles from market. I break these candles with hammer and then I use it. This can also be used in Oman. So, and if I don't get mold, I can use the porcelain cups, the thick porcelain cups or aluminum. You get beautiful aluminum buckets and all that. So those also can be used. And wicks, you get from any hardware shop, you get these wicks, no problem at all. So this is what I buy from when I'm in Oman. When I have to do, I use this because we don't get it. Otherwise, we can ask for permission and we can all buy it together. For Oman, we can order and we can buy it. And this is the hurricane mold, I mean, which I was showing. So this is how you demold it. You have to be very little gentle in this. So this is what you get, the pen stand. So here you can do even 3 colors also, whatever it is, I mean, designs, the creativity is yours. So even we can order and get the molds done with the logo also for business point of view, I'm telling. So this is with the hard candles. Any doubt, kindly ask. Then we will move on to the gel candle. Yes, sir.
The wig without.
You can put crayons in it, crayons as a color.
Crayons is a color you can use, but the quality will not be very good. Yes, you can use. That is an activity like we use for children. But when we are making it on a bit of commercial, like suppose I'm making 100 candles like that, crayons may not be that good.
The ordinary wig without that aluminium bottom, that is from the top you put it, will it be holding or after putting the hole like that, you know?
Yeah, you have a hole here. I hope you can see.
Yeah, we made a hole with that.
No, we don't make. It comes with the hole only.
Okay.
They will put it exactly in the middle. They will make the hole and they will give. So you have to pick. This is the actually when you make the candle. This is the top part. This is the bottom part. So you have to put wick here and then you have to pull it here.
Correct. And put that flat rod through that you put it. Is it not that?
That is when I use the then I put the flat rod so that it stays in the middle only.
Okay.
Because again, aluminium bottom wick to get in musket will be difficult. That is why I started using this wick, and I ordered this. You get in any hardware shop, sir. Any hardware, any place you get.
Like
you
a
get.
thread, or it is just a thread, or any special
Just
item,
a
any
thick
material?
thread. It is just a thick thread. That's all.
Okay.
I'm using that in musket, and I got that rod ordered from a hardware shop here. They made and they gave me. Even that rod also I got it ordered here. So all the materials are available. Perfume, if you have to see, you get excellent perfume in Ruby High Street in the shop by name Singapore. Singapore shop, one shop is there. Near old police station, you get excellent traditional Omani perfumes there.
Behind Gofar building, yeah.
So most of the materials are available here.
This perfume, is there a special perfume for candle making, or is it the ordinary perfume we can use?
You can use ordinary perfume, sir, because what in Singapore, that shop they sell is the body spray, like they sell. So body spray we can use for candle, but it can never be the other way. Candle perfume we don't use for soap. For soap, for all these body perfumes, you can use for soap, you can use for candle also.
Because here in Almasara, what we were doing is that we were getting a complete set, from Shanagar Das. They have candle making sets, so we used to get from there, and even the wax also we used to buy from there. So we were searching for alternatives actually for wax, where to get those wax, because Shanagar Das, in fact, is quite expensive.
Correct. Yes. Correct. And that is why I buy these pillar candles, sir. This you get in good bright red color also you get, and this white also you get. So this I get it from Bustan Center, and it's quite cheap also. And this is a good activity, like breaking activity. Whatever we want, we can make.
Yeah, right.
Only thing is these molds we'll have to get it online ordered. Yes, they send it here, and these are quite cheap also, because Bombay, Mumbai, they sell it in a wholesale market.
Okay. So can you share with us the online the website for this mold?
Yes, sir. That will be my last slide. I will be sharing all the details. The contact details I'll be sharing.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can I move ahead with the gel candle?
That Bustan Center is where? Bustan Center is where?
Alcoy.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, ma'am. Please ask.
Where is this Bustan Center?
Bustan Center is in Alcoy, madam.
Which place exactly in Alcoy?
I will do one thing. Shall I share the location in the group?
Okay.
Fine, fair enough.
I will share the Bustan Center location and the phone number also.
And even though this one Singapore shop or what?
Singapore, I'll have the phone number. I will share the phone number.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much.
Singapore shop is very simple, madam. That is next to the old Ruby police station. and behind the Dhofar building.
I will share the location and the phone number.
كندل ميكينج نعمل شموع.
حضرتك تعمل شمعان؟
منير.
Any doubt?
شمعة وما بعرفش أعمل شمع.
نتفرج عشان نتعلم الشمع.
لا بجيبش شمع.
ليه؟
كده.
Can I proceed with the next one?
Yeah.
So we finished our question answer session. These are the hard candles which we made. Now we will be moving on to the gel candles. So for the gel candle, you need gel wax, then color, perfume, wick, glasses, and scissors. So for for gel wax, you need a glass because it doesn't stand like the hard wax. So you will be seeing it in the video. So almost the same type of that induction stove.
الشمع.
ايه رأيك نعمل؟
ما بعرفش أعمل الشمع.
هعلمك.
ما بعرفش أعمل.
هعلمك انت تعرف تعمل كل حاجة.
I request others to keep your
كبيرة شمعة كبيرة كده.
لا معلش شمع أحمر.
You can have the host, you can mold.
No, I'm not. When I'm sharing the screen, it becomes a difficult. No problem. Okay. So when we use gel wax, it is not like the hard wax to put it in the mold and take it. It's very soft. You can see that. I'm able to press it. So you need a glass. You can see when I press it goes inside. It's very soft. It's like a jelly substance. So you need a quite thick glass. It shouldn't be a very thin glass because when we burn the candle, the glass may break into pieces. So we have to buy a good quality of glass. So the same, we go with the induction stove, the vessel. This is the gel wax. It's like a jelly-like substance it is. This needs to be ordered from India only. This we don't get. No, ma'am, we don't get gel wax here. Needs to be ordered. I get it from India only. So you can see it's like a water, like jelly-like substance. So I have my wine glasses and these decorative glasses, but it's all a very good quality, thick glasses. And those iron rods. You need that aluminum bottom wick. Definitely we need aluminum bottom wick because in the end, the fire should not touch the glass. Again, the glass will break. So we need that aluminum bottom wick. If you don't have aluminum bottom wick, you can put some sand below or some marbles below so that the wick doesn't reach the bottom. So the same perfume we use. So I have liquid colors. These colors are powder colors only, which can be mixed with little coconut oil. So colors mixed with coconut oil, we put it in the small bottles. And these are glitters. You get it in Shahnagar Das. Marbles, you get it in Bustan Center. And this is the hard wax which we made with a long wick. I didn't cut the wick. I'll tell you why. So now I'm going to open the gel wax. Try to use gloves when we give for children because wax is it's a petrochemical substance. Better to use gloves. it just breaks very easily. You can see it breaks very easily. Same 800-degree temperature when we are using the induction stove. Cook on low flame only. So I'm going to mix hard candle and the gel candle. So that is why I made a hard candle with a long wick. So I have my marbles here. The creativity is yours. So when we are teaching for children, they must know how much they have to put, the measurement, everything has to be taught for them. So I'm going, you can make even double color also. Why we mix with oil is it gives a uniformity in the mixing of the color. Otherwise, the powder, it becomes like a granule-like substance. So it doesn't mix properly. So normally we mix it with little oil and that we use. You get the same way in the market also. You get a range of colors in the market. So by the time the wax is melting, I'm keeping all the wicks ready. Gel candles look so beautiful. Gel candle is also like hard candle. You can remelt when it becomes hard. Nothing goes waste here. You can see now it is being it's melted. It comes like a water. If it hardens, you can melt again. So after it melts, we add perfume. Again, the quantity is same. For 1 kg of wax, we add 5 to 7 ml of perfume. I would like to share one more information here. If we are making on a commercial basis, we can even put the wick inside the perfume the previous day night itself. It comes out so well when we burn the candle. That smell, aroma spreads like anything inside the room. More than adding it in the candle, the wick holds the perfume very well.
Okay.
So I'm making double color candle.
عنده تريننج عنده تدريب تعال شوف تدريب
So I put white color here.
Yeah.
So we have to ensure the wick is in the middle because this is the right side. So when we are doing double layered candle, I mean a hard and gel candle mixed, the hard candle will normally be colorful and we will be adding gel directly straight away because that hard candle has to be seen and this looks so beautiful. A very simple activity, but very beautiful activity.
சொல்லு ஆனந்த்.
Glitter candles. Glitters, you can put it in a vessel, mix, and then you can add, or you can add directly into the glass and start pouring the wax inside. So you can do it in two ways. This I am mixing it nicely inside in a vessel and then I'm pouring. Otherwise, you can put it directly into the glass and you can pour the wax. These glitters, you get it in Shanagar Das. So I have put marbles down and I've made a glitter candle there. You can see it's so simple, this activity is. After this, I will show one video where my children made around 150 gel candles in just 1 hour. 150 gel candles they made in just 1 hour. I'll show that video.
بتسوي بابا بروح حياتها بعدين بتسوي نفس الشيء. ايوه.
So we need to have that aluminium base. Otherwise, please add some sand or some pebbles inside. So for this, we have to do a task analysis. So step 1 is what, step 2 is what, step 3 is what, and we need to proceed in that way. When we are making 2-layered candles here in for gel, when we are making 2, you can make 3, you can make 4-layered also. 4 different colors you can use, but ensure that the first color is settled completely. Otherwise, it will start mixing. It has to settle completely. That gel has to become very cold, and then you can add the next color. So here I'm going to put directly the glitter. You can see the red glitter. I'm putting it directly.
كل بابا تعشوا صرف كل بابا تعشوا.
So it is mainly the activity that matters. There is no hard and fast procedures or rules telling that this is how you have to do this. Please do use a plastic sheet down so that nothing goes wasted. So after, when we are putting the glitter inside the glass, after pouring the gel with a stick Give a gentle stir into it. So it comes like a swirl and it looks very beautiful. Just take a barbecue stick, give a gentle stir, but ensure that the wick comes out, wick stands straight. Don't disturb the wick, otherwise just put it back in the same place. This gives a beautiful swirl type of texture and it looks really beautiful. Gel wax hardens very fast. So if it hardens, you can remelt it. But when you are remelting, possible that the perfume effect may go. So you may have to add more perfume at that time. So this is how we mix the glitter and then we add it. So this gives a different look, and directly when you add, that gives a different look. You, instead of heart candle, you can add even any metals. When I went to France, I had got some Eiffel Towers in keychains. I had dropped even that inside gel wax. Anything metal you can add, not plastic.
منزل بختك انا غسلتنا مشان
So this is the double color. So I have the white color down. I allowed it to settle and then I'm adding purple. In between also you can add pebbles. It looks very beautiful. So it's like your ideas, your creativity. Candle making is actually very simple. So this is again the double color. One is gel and the other one is the liquid color. So sorry, glitter. The down is the golden glitter candle and the top is pink liquid color. So however you want, you can match. Whatever you want, you can do. And everything looks beautiful in this. So we have to allow it to settle for around 2 hours or 3 hours until it becomes cold. And then we have to cut the extra wick. And we have to clean even the glasses around. Glasses around will have little bit of gel stuck to it. So we have to clean the glasses also. So these are the contact details of the wax where you get. This you can order from India. Very cheap you get. Mr. Fennel, this is the first number, Mr. Fennel. You can ask him. I will send the website address also. And when I have taught for children here, they have ordered the molds and materials from him, and it's quite economical to get it. So when we get it in bulk, we can use it for 1 year. That is how I do. Once a year, I get the materials from there and I use it. So it becomes quite cheap also. And one video I would like to share with you all. "150 candles made by my children." My contact details. So any doubt or any further information, please feel free to ask me at any time. And you all are most welcome to come to my house also to see my workstation. We have a small workplace. So now I'm open for question answer session.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
I saw a couple of questions in the chat box. Where can I get the silicone molds? Ma'am, you can get silicone molds online only. I get it from, I'll send the website, that number I have shared, Mr. Fennel. So he will, he has a website, he will share you the whole variety he will share with you, and you can order it online.
Yeah. It is delivered in Oman.
Yeah, yes, I get it. I get it here.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
We want the what is this called? We want to know exactly your house, where it is. If you can give us the
Send the location, no?
I will say, shall I send my the location to the group, madam?
Yes, please.
I will send the location, all these addresses, the details, I will send it in the group. And this is one we did for Oman Cancer Association. around 600 gel candles they did. This is again a gel candle. We did it 2 years ago.
Inside is a hot candle, is it?
Inside is hard candle, because
Yeah.
why I use hard candle here is, in Oman, to get the gel candles, I can get only small quantity and I have to keep
Okay.
it for 1 year. So I always mix and use.
Yeah, good. And fast also it is.
Yes.
Very good job, madam.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I will be so happy if many children start taking it up. And any further query, anytime, please feel free to contact us. And all the videos will be uploaded in the YouTube channel. I will be sharing that link also. So please do come home. I have a small workstation. I can show you also how it all can be done at home itself. So how
But
we
with-
can...
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
With this problem which we are facing about the coronavirus, I cannot bring my son to you. You know, it's very difficult, you know. Then I think that it will be better for me myself to come and meet you. Then I can see exactly what is going on, because also I'm having some of my friends also, they have children like my son, he's Down syndrome. Okay, they wish, and even though if they can be trained, then we'll appreciate it, you know.
Easily. I think it is
We'll
very
be
easy.
so happy. Yes, and I agree to you, ma'am, because Corona, I know it's we have to be very careful. So this period, let us learn together, and once the pandemic gets over, we all can start off. After the vaccine comes, we all can start off together.
Okay, no problem. But I will do it if I can come and meet you.
Please, ma'am, I will send the location. Please do come. I'll be very happy.
Yeah, thank you very much, madam.
Hi.
Thank you very much. I have appreciated. And alhamdulillah, you know, my son, he used to tell me all the time he wants to go to school, and he wants to go to school. We cannot take him again to school, you know. Now with this pandemic, you know, it is very, very difficult for him to stay at home and only to play with PlayStation, you know. At least he can get something to work on it.
Exactly, ma'am. That is why we started off this. We knew children are losing out many therapies and many sessions, everything they are losing out. So that is the reason we thought, okay, let's train the parents.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you
you.
indeed. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
It was a wonderful session.
Thank you, ma'am.
You know, children.
Vijayshri, ma'am, it was getting stuck. I'm sorry. Can you repeat?
You know, giving them a vocation to be proud of, teaching them a vocation to be proud of. And I just want to know, for this thread in the hard wax candle, for the thread wick, we don't have to insert that metal rod, right? It's only for the aluminum base wick we insert the metal rod.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, I am no see the picture. What you do here? See, I am see the teacher only.
Madam, can you repeat what you said? I'm sorry.
Shiva.
No, I was interrupted. So are you asking me again?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. No problem. See, do we insert the metal rod only for the aluminum base wick when we are making the hard wax candle, not for the thread wick?
No, ma'am. For thread, direct. Suppose I put the wick here, direct. That's without that aluminum foil, it is direct thread. Only thing I have to ensure it is in the middle by putting that band of that flat metal rod. Or I can use even 2 barbecue sticks also to keep it in the middle. If I don't, if I'm not getting that, I can use even 2 barbecue sticks. My only object is to keep the wick in the middle. That's all.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Even for gel candle also, you can use 2 barbecues to keep the wick in the middle.
Okay.
This being heavy, it will be more permanent.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gayatri, will there be any specific colors for this candle making?
कभी बोलिएगा कभी आएगा?
Second, ma'am. Arul sir, can I put you on mute if you don't mind?
Indian school का बाजू में आ जाओ.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. There are specific colors for candle. You can again get it online. As I told you, these pellets I make it. I order and I get it. These pellets I order and I get it from Mumbai because I'm little worried about using powder colors. I have given the number also, and these things you can get it from online. No issues at all, and it's better for 1 year. I get sometimes even I use it for 2 years also. Once I get.
Okay, thank you.
Gayatri ji, I have one question. Do you
Yes.
get gel candle here?
Gel candle, yeah, here you don't get 100%. You don't get.
The raw gel candle actually.
You don't get it here, sir. I get it from India only.
Oh, okay.
At least for hard candle, I take these pillar candles and I break it. But for gel, I get it from India only. We don't get it here. Maybe we can, when we all join together, we can try ordering it. We can see how we can bring it here for the purpose of it will be beneficial for everyone.
Yeah, if we can order in a group, actually, we can order a huge quantity.
I will try that, sir. Definitely. I would really love to try that. We will explore that definitely. Thank you, sir, for the suggestion.
Thank you. Thank you very much for a lovely session.
Thank you,
And
doctor.
we will see you in the next session again.
Sure, doctor. Thank you so much. Thank
Yeah,
you all.
we are a team of all occupational therapists attending this session today from Malmasara.
Thank you. Thanks for joining us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So with this, we'll end the session.
Yeah,
So
thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
When is the next session? When is the next session?
Next Monday, sir. I will post the schedule in the group.
Okay. Thank you very much. Very nice.
Shukran and Masalama.
Thank you,
Bye.
Gayatri.
Lakshmi is there?
Shall we go?
Okay.